Good afternoon, everyone. In this video, we will be marking another video in another script, and we will be talking about why this particular script didn't reach the requisite or the desired band score of 7, and what are the nuances, what are the things that we need to take into our consideration in case you are actually aspiring for a CLB 9, or especially you would like to overcome the band block of 6.5. So let's get started. So this one is my screen. I think now it is visible to all of you, and we will be marking this particular script. So this is the script, and the topic was related to drug dealing, and here is her script. I usually request my candidates to actually put their ideas also, that so that they can plan first, they can organize, and then they start writing. In this way, they actually, anyone who's writing a good essay or who's aspiring to write a good essay, they get to know that what are the things they would be writing, so it saves quite a lot of time. So this one is here. Let me make it a little justified. Okay, so the question was asking for that in many countries the problem of drug taking is increasing. Governments and general public are particularly concerned about young people using illegal drugs such as marijuana, ecstasy, and heroin. What are the methods? So there are methods. If you see, the question is asking about the plural thing, and is it appropriate to send the drug users to the prison? Now, one thing is important here, that they are not asking you that do you think. So in case they had used the pronoun you could have used I, but because this thing is not there, you don't have to do that. Okay. Now she has written that we can educate them regarding bad effects of drugs, indulge them in other interesting activities such as sports to take their mind away from these activities, from these drugs. So this is definitely not the right way of doing it. Rather, develop rehab centers, rehabilitation centers. So the spelling here is wrong, so I hope over there she has written it right. Centers and follow better methods. Now here she has started. Nowadays, narcotics consumption. So narcotics is the actual word. So very good. She has used a good vocab. Become consumption. Become or has become. But because has is missing, so this one would be taken as an error, and I am writing it GR1. This is grammatical error 1. So after this, she has written here is a severe menace amongst society, as it is threatening the positive development of many nations. Although the sentence is nice, she has made a complex sentence, but this is a severe menace among society or in society. So this is in the society. So again, this would be taken as a grammatical error. Although, and but because she has actually made it a complex sentence, I am highlighting this particular sentence, and I will be giving her good bands for that. Now, although unlawful supply of drug affects the, now this one is, because this one, although unlawful supply of drug affects the whole set of population, civil authorities and localities are more worried. So localities are not worried, local authorities, civil and local authorities. So the word authority should have been here, and this would have been local, are more worried about the indulgence of young generation into drugs. Okay, this is fine. Another, she has used a complex sentence, so this is another complex sentence, but there is one error here. Drug effects, she was using it as an adjective, sorry, as a verb. So this is not right, so we will be putting, this one is a lexical error, but this one is fine. This is the second, let me mark it like this. This is her complex sentence 2. In fact, um, government bodies and social organizations can collab. So collab is actually a colloquial word, collab, or this should be collaborate together in order to eradicate drug smuggling and its intake among society. Again, it's not the intake among society, it's prevalence among in the society, something like this, but not this one. So I am marking it as another lexical error, second lexical error, but this one was her another complex sentence. So this one, her third complex sentence. Also, lock up. Now see, because this was also lockup penalty. If you are using lockup as a noun, but then also this is not a proper noun, so this one should have been L, and we will be marking it as a grammatical error. So earlier she has already made two grammatical errors, and this one would be her third error. So GR3. So, penalty is not the right way to reduce drug consumption, as this act will not provide a room for addic- edited or addicted, right? Addicted. Although this is a typographical error, yet you need to be quite careful about it. So, this one is a LR3. Okay. Not provide room for addicted people to overcome their bad habit. The aforementioned points are discussed in the subsequent paragraphs. Now, here the candidates also, although this thesis statement is right, but here again the point was that you need to write properly that the methods to actually deter this particular trend followed, and this is definite, and further sending them to jail is definitely not a good idea. This thing should have been discussed here. So I am not giving her good bands for her thesis statement, so I'm just marking maybe 2 stars here, that this is something incomplete. Okay, so she has written to commence with, there are various approaches spelling, okay, can be followed in order to eliminate the effect of drugs, or the effects of drugs on young children. First and foremost, education is a key to resolve drug related issues. This was a complex sentence, so I'm writing it CS4. First and foremost, education is a key to resolve drug related issues, as education can spread awareness about terrible effects of drug consumption and can enlighten people about healthy ways to live a better life. The sentence is good, but as she has already used the word education here, so here it should be, it must be rather it, because it's a pronoun. Already I have used a noun once, we cannot use the noun over and over again. So this one is her first complex compound sentence. Sorry, let me put it like this. Sentence. Beside, even if some people already involved or are involved, it is passive, are involved in drug practices, education can change their mindset for not following drug practices ahead in their life. Although the words are fine, still, so this is inappropriate. We in further ahead in life is not appropriate here. So sometimes it's not an error, sometimes it's inappropriate to use that, inaccurate, not wrong. And this one is her complex sentence, so I'm giving her bands for that, CS5. Now, to cite an example, the Indian School Education Board, CBSC, has recently included drug abuse, a compulsory, again the spelling of compulsory, it's SORY, subject in their curriculum in order to impart basic education about the misuse of drugs and drugs, okay, and its impacts. Moreover, in case students are involved, are so here, rather than using the word more, she could have used some better adjective, like or sorry, adverb. For example, in case the students are diligently involved, actively involved, if you would like to even use a simple word. So but still, adverbs and adjectives, they add power to your script, so we must use them. Involved in sports activities, there will be lesser chances. Okay, there will be very less is nothing. Avoid using very in your IELTS exam. Lesser chances that they indulge in practices of drug intake. Rather than calling it bad practices, malpractices could have been one word, or into drug intake. They could have, they can be deterred from the problem of substance abuse. The sports activities, here she could have used another connector, like to explain, to elaborate, something like this. Explain, okay. The So this one would be a smaller the, okay, the sport activities not only take, and this one was still another complex sentence, so this one would be complex sentence 6. And the next one is, she has used not only but also structure, not only take young minds away from the bad habits, but So before but we always use a comma here. So this one would be another grammar error. This one is a grammatical error. Grammatical error 4. Okay. Then but also provide them confidence for maintaining drug free healthy lifestyle. For instance, a survey was conducted by University of Lakewood, so U Capital. Mm, so this one is her fifth grammar error. This one is her fifth lexical error. Okay. Again, California C capital. It would be another error, right? GR6. Okay. In 2019 states that 95% of students who practiced in regular sports activities under college sports club were not involved. And it could have been stated that because this one has already been published, right? Okay. Furthermore, despite the fact young people, so you don't have to put a comma here, despite the fact that young people are involved in drug practices is a crime, the drug addicts can be handled in a better way to eradicate this problem more effectively. Very good. So this one is this another. Okay, because she has used this one, we can, although the fanboys is not there, still this sentence is a complex sentence, complex compound sentence. Primarily in case of drug addiction, junkies should not be, so we shouldn't be using junkies. It is semi formal or informal. Addicts should not be treated as criminals, rather they should be treated as sufferers. Very good. This is a complex sentence. So this is the last one which we discussed was um 6, right? This one is our complex sentence 7. Further, she is writing to elaborate, in order to eliminate zeal for drugs. It's not zeal for this morbid desire for drugs from the mind of the drug user. It is essential to provide rehabilitate environment. It could be because the word rehabilitate, these words have been used quite a few times in the script. So the candidate could have used words like to provide a healthy or soothing, words like this, environment, um, and provide mental strength to lose interest. This is lose like the loose clothes while I lose. This one should be to interest for drugs, or it should be in drugs. So this one is my grammar error, I think 7 or 8. I think 8. And this one would be our grammar error 9. Okay, to exemplify the art of living society, so because it's a noun, so art of living society in the USA. So again, has stated in their annual report in 2019 that 85% of drug addicts, blah blah blah. So 1 month already it is fine, but still these were the errors. Again, this is my error 10. This is, and this one is 11. Okay, so to encapsulate, it can be concluded that although the problem of narcotic supply and intake has become, again the same problem, has become a huge obstacle for the national integrity and development, this menace can be uprooted through better precautionary approaches. Again, the spellings. In fact, the spellings are again, in fact, being a responsible citizen, it is the duty of every individual to take part in the drive against narcotics and completely abolish it amongst the youth. So this is a complex compound sentence. I'm writing it CCS3, and this one is, it can be concluded that although, so this one is a complex sentence, and I think this one is complex sentence 8. Okay, so quite nice. If we now look at this particular script, this one is what? This one had quite a good sophisticated language, variety of sentences were there, even the language was fine, but yet the candidate won't be able to score a 7. Reason being, see, there were 8 complex sentences, plus three complex compound sentences, and then there were quite a few number of connectors or these adverbs, these conjunctive verbs, things were there, but yet the script has almost, I think, 11 grammatical errors and 4 to 5 lexical errors, where there were inaccuracies. Not, they weren't wrong, they were fine. The meaning was clear, yet we don't use them in that particular context. So when it comes to this thing, the candidate would be getting a 6.5. So what is stopping the examiner or deterring the examiner from giving this particular candidate a band 7 is these grammatical errors. Had this script been a grammar this error free script, still the examiner would have considered the fact that there was a variety of sentences used, there were no such errors. So occasional slips, occasional errors are acceptable, but they shouldn't be this much common, because if you see this approaches error, I haven't marked yet, this has error, I haven't counted it yet. So there were almost 14 to 15 grammatical errors. So please work on your grammar first. You can actually refer to Raymond Murphy. The Cambridge University Press actually publishes its own grammar book. You can refer to that. And then for your vocab, it's not important that you always have that fancy vocab in your repertoire. You can have some simpler words, but the range should be there. You shouldn't be repeating the same word again and again. And also, once you try to use some sophisticated language, it is important that that particular word is actually used in that given context. Hmm? So I hope this would help you in actually improving your command over the language, and also help you to get your requisite band score of 7. Trust me, getting even an 8 or 8.5 so far is possible in IELTS writing part. Although I have seen people getting a 9 as well. Recently, I had a word with a lady who was working with the Cambridge with IDP. So of course they say that yes, it is possible to get a 9, but you need to give us that kind of language. So keep working, keep sharing. Let learning be your muse. Let sharing be your muse. May God bless you. Bye bye.